English is one of the most widely used languages across the world. Philippine laws and court decisions, with extremely rare exceptions, are written solely in English. English is also used in higher education, religious affairs, print and broadcast media, and business. Most educated Filipinos are bilinguals, but still, for highly technical subjects such as nursing, medicine, computing and calculus, English is the preferred medium for textbooks, communication, etc. And because English is part of the curricula from primary to secondary education, many Filipinos write and speak in fluent English. Although most Filipinos are not native English speakers, they have little difficulty in speaking grammatically correct English. According to the study conducted by the researchers, among 50 respondents, only 12 out of 50 respondents says that they are having difficulty in English. This reflects a little percentage, because English is part of the curricula from primary to secondary education, as stated above. The study shows that English language is not really a problem for Filipinos, there is only a need for improvement, especially for high school students, college students, and fresh graduates, who will enter the working environment, which requires major usage of the language, but still, having a minor difficulty in English. Among 50 respondents, 34 of them or 68% says that among the subjects, English needs to be improved among Filipinos, 10 or 20% for Filipino, 8 or 16% for science, and 26 or 52% for mathematics. The study also shows that majority of the respondents find English interesting to study. Out of 50 respondents, 25 or 50% of the respondents choose English, 7 or 14% for Filipino, 19 or 38% for science, and 13 or 26% for mathematics. Together with these results, in a country where majority of people ages 12 to 25 years old have a smartphone or tablet, with the majority of them playing games in their devices. And along with the popularity of Android OS in the Philippines, the researchers find it an opportunity to develop an Android game, with topics about English language, to produce a game for leisure, incorporated with learning. Those problems lead the proponents to develop a game entitled, I Wonder. Objectives of the study: to develop an Android game for Android Jelly Bean up to Android Lollipop. According to the survey conducted by the researchers, Android Jelly Bean up to Android Lollipop are the most commonly used Android OS by the market ages 12 to 25 years old. So developing an Android game for these market will do. To design a game concept that will provide a readable facts enhancing the player's English vocabulary. Since as the result by the study conducted by the researchers shows, that half of people ages 12 to 25 years old, who respond to the survey, find English interesting to study. And also, with the 68% of the respondents, the majority, says that English needs to be improved among people, and with the 46% who says they would like English as a topic for a game, the researchers came to a conclusion of incorporating English in an Android game. To create a game that will provide updates for bug fixes and version updates to adapt to newer version of Android technology. Since Android Marshmallow is up to the market but not yet popular, the researchers aim to provide a game updates in the future for the game to be suited for newer Android technology, and also, updates for bugs that might get reported and fixed. Purpose and description. In proposing I Wonder, the researchers find it helpful to the player, the developer, and the English language. I Wonder will boost the player's English vocabulary and knowledge. Playing the game will eventually improve their vocabulary, being familiar to the words they'll encounter in the game, since people tend to remember 50% of what they see, and 15% of what they hear. I Wonder will serve as a training that will hone the developer's skills. Developing I Wonder will let the developers gain experience in software development, especially in game development. I Wonder will help to promote English to the player. Since some people are having difficulty in English, playing I Wonder will help in promoting English without being bored, since the main purpose of a game is to entertain. Scope and limitations of the study. The name I Wonder originated with the combination of 3 words. I, which symbolizes usage of the player's eyes as the major sense while playing the game. 1, which symbolizes Filipinos, because the target user of the game are Filipinos. and the word wonder, which means desire or be curious to know something, which symbolizes the aim to make the user have the desire or curiosity to explore the topic of the game, which is Filipino language and culture. That describes the etymology of the name I Wonder.
Created using Powtoon.